Hi guys, on another beautiful video. We are here to swim.
Yeah.
Let's go. Follow me. Okay, this way. Yes. I'll follow you. Follow. All right. So this place is going to be the place. So guys, an interesting thing happened. We came all the way to the waterfall and then I have to go back because I forgot my shorts. So I'm going back alone to get my shorts. Shit happens, yeah? Look at the place. You like it? Come. Dun, ta-da! Okay, so now climbing back. I'm at the place where we started. Alone now. So yes, what we saw is the waterfall. So I'm very used to this running on these rocks now. But with you know what? Wait. Look at my shoes. So that's the path I came, and now I have to halfway through I have to climb on this. So when you get up here, there is you can see how the footpaths are like. The color has changed by people walking. So many people walk on this place. So you come up to this point and you take a grip from here. Okay, what? So you came up there and come up here up to this point and take a grip and try to stand here properly and then take a wave first. So guys, the first wave point is this. Here, get yourself comfortable and then climb with a grip here, so that you don't fall off. So you can lean to the rock, so you don't fall. Even if it's on a rainy day, even if it's so slippery. Today is not slippery. You can take a good grip because you are falling into the rock, right? So this part is also a bit difficult, but you can do it. So when you reach up here, the viewpoint. So you see, and now it continues. We can call this also another viewpoint. It's good for Instagram, the photos. So on this tour, every junction or every turn you make, you can get a photograph for your Instagram. You can show your skills, guys. Here. Good for wedding photo shoots. See? Okay. Guys, today I'm very tired with having my mobile in my hand. I need to tell you about my phone. It's a iPhone 15 Pro. So it's very small. 15 Pro Max is we have a good big screen, but for this type of work, it's not worth it. You cannot do it. You will crack your skin very soon. Guys, I have reached up, and I want to show you the wave. You hear only the water, and you will hear some people, if there are people here. Guys, now we are leaving. Welcome. Bye. Subscribe and make sure to travel with Yo-Yo. Hello.
Hier das, ne?
Children are faster.
Yes.
Hello. Nandeno?
Ballaketuwa.
Ah, hari. Introduce yourselves then.
Hello again, I'm Marius.
I'm Jenny.
Yeah. And
I'm
now
from Germany.
Yeah,
From
from Germany,
Germany.
Cologne.
And what are we going to see now?
The
I
tea
think some kind of tea.
Come, let's
yeah.
go.
Let's go. Let's check. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
You can go in.
So tell us, what are we going to do right now?
We just see, observe.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Come.
So what are you doing right now?
First, let's see. And then.
Are they dried?
No, they're collecting. So that's her collection.
Yeah.
This is hers. And she's waiting her collection
Okay.
today. So they see she's going to put on the scale, and they are scaling it. Come, let's go there. Yeah, they, yeah.
How heavy is such a bag? How heavy it is, like
See the kilos. 19 kilos.
19.
Yeah. So that's the total. Her, she bought 19 kilos today.
Yeah, crazy.
So that will be marked in that book.
Okay. Yeah. Way more than our backpack, right?
And I was crying. And it was only like 10 kilos or 13.
13.
Yeah.
And this, they will have to do it whether it's rains or dry.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
So what is the next step? Do you put it in
These bags, and so this is how the waiting. They wait from there, and also she will have to show the quality of her bringing home today in front of others as well. So they quality check here first of all.
Okay.
So after her measurements, they bring here and put together and they do a quick check
Yeah.
whether leaves are okay.
Yeah.
And then they wait again to the bags like this, so that the lorry or the tractor takes them to the factory straight away. Yeah.
And then they dry it right there, right?
Yes. Others happens in the factory.
Yeah. So what is the difference?
That I do it at the tea factory. I tell you at the tea factory. I show you actually.
Thank you.
How was your experience?
Yeah, it was good. It was
Very
good.
interesting. Strong woman working here.
Yes.